Hey guys, what's going on? I am here in Wantagh at the Twin Lakes Preserve. It's a beautiful place to go for a little walk, small little hike, maybe go fishing. And I wanted to show you guys around. So please stick around, welcome, and come along with me. So right here we seem to have some sort of mini tiered pier or dock. I'm not sure what you would call it, but I've seen people set up here for fishing. Usually it's just one or two people, but the other day I saw a bunch. Alright, let's get this little walk going, shall we? Now, here is a small mini dock. You could fish, or you could just sit, hang out, and enjoy the view. The Twin Lakes Preserve in Wantagh is a charming and picturesque spot known for its serene beauty and diverse wildlife. Here are some interesting facts about the park. The preserve is located in Wantagh. It covers approximately 58 acres of beautiful natural landscapes, including woodlands, wetlands, and freshwater lakes. And as the name suggests, the preserve is home to two main lakes, North Twin Lake and South Twin Lake. These lakes are a key feature of the park and provide habitat for various species of fish and birds. The preserve is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. It hosts a variety of bird species, including swans, ducks, herons, and other migratory birds, making it a great spot for bird watching. The lakes and other surrounding areas also support fish, amphibians, small mammals, all contributing to the park's biodiversity. The preserve is popular for its peaceful walking and hiking trails, offers visitors a chance to enjoy nature and scenic views of the lakes and woodlands. Fishing is the most popular activity at the preserve, with anglers often trying their luck in the well-stocked waters of the lake. The park is relatively easy to access and is a popular spot for local residents looking for a quick escape into nature. The park is managed to protect its diverse habitats and ensure a sustainable environment for the wildlife and its visitors. This is going to be the second side, or I should say the second of the Twin Lake here in Wantagh at the Twin Lake Preserve. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.